see Jack's face. Thinking of a song that I can play. I wish I was home to be in Jack's place. But there's no need to worry, cause I'll be there someday. Which I live in Africa, oh Africa, yes. You say that you are in Rasta, Africa.
Yeah, blessed love and respect. You don't know we're at the Denbigh Show ground 2024. Big up to everybody we actually join right now. You don't know this is actually a walking video. We are going to walk through Denbigh Show ground 2024. It's a one-day thing this year, so let's see what happens. You understand? It's all about a walkthrough. You know, we're gonna see if we can talk to some people and see what them have to offer. All of the farmers, them all of them things there. Let me give you a brief description as to where I'm standing up right now. As you can see, the gate, which is the main gate, is center camera right now. And yeah, people are pouring in them numbers. You understand? Parking is kind of chaotic, but there's loads of parking lot everywhere, where you can pay from $200 up to $800 per parking per vehicle. So if you're coming down, make sure so you have that money right there for park, and you can actually drive Glenmore Road, which is the easiest road to get here. You understand? You know you can pay at the gate. You can buy a ticket at the gate right at the bus at the main entrance. Adult it is $1,500. Really don't remember how much for kids. But it is much lower than that. You see me? So big up to everybody we are joining right now. When we are going to walk through Denbigh 2024, we're not really going to narrate, we're just going to show you exactly what's happening. And let's go. So anywhere you're joining from right now, big up and respect, you don't know. Big up all my massive on YouTube, all massive on TikTok, you understand? If that's where you're watching this video from, or the clip and thing. So the first place we are going to actually walk over, you can see over here, so loads of people roll out. Who for tent this? Yeah, my teacher, big up, you know. That is it. So in here they're actually showcasing some of the tactics that they use in growing these plants. More like a myth type of thing. Blessed respect. Bless up. Respect. Inside here is mad cool. So as you can see, they're developer pools and stuff like that and thing. No joke. this. So these are some of the setups that they actually do to showcase what's going on here as an example of how they lay the hose and stuff. Greetings. Jamaica walk by, what go on here sell?
Yeah.
What are you selling?
We're selling?
Yeah, look at caps, selling caps. We say ready for the sun.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Yeah, big up yourself, alright?
Yeah.
One love.
The grape water, the juice and the water.
Well, I'm
The water, the ginger beer and the tea.
What you say? That video champion farmer.
That is it. Mr. Champion Farmer.
Yeah.
So you come out in a yard though. Nice, easy done it. Where a champion farmer for?
Eh?
Where a champion farmer for?
That for Niagara.
Yeah,
That shit.
that sheen and all of the good stuff.
Yam, pineapple, ginger, spinach, breadfruit, everything.
Mad thing.
Yeah, champion farmer from Niagara.
That is it. Big up yourself, you hear that? Yes, sir.
Can I buy you in
Big up yourself, my teacher, respect in all aspects. Yeah. That is it. Ah man, alright then, take it easy. Wow, so there is really limited amount of stuff this year at Denbigh. Hi grandma, big up every time. Alright, let's go back on the main. So Denbigh's only gonna be for today alone. So if you're there home right now, now is a chance to forward down here. As we go through, see? Yeah. Moment me see you duck out, all heap of things yourself. Look like you bring an entire store, man.
Yeah man, what store?
Almighty. From cologne to everything. Umbrella, caps. Me see pants, shirt, blouse.
School bags.
Everything. School is even for the kids.
Yeah man, everything for your kids.
Oh my, how much for this a teddy bear?
25 grand.
25 grand. You hear that massive? She outside from slippers. So far what you realize is not all about plants here at Denbigh. We have the clothes, the goodies and all the stuff for the kids, for your entire family. So you understand, make sure when you roll out, you bring the kids because you know it's a family event. So yeah, no joke, no doubt as we walk through, see what going down here. Alright, so the temperature is hot, so you're happy to have this. That is it.
Yeah, we are getting right. For the popcorn.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
Original Sky.
Original.
That is
remember
it.
back in those days?
That, my word. Yeah, you have to teach you, you know?
Yes, the man.
That is it, man. Look good. Yeah.
More blessing and love.
Them alone, me sure say cool throughout the day.
Alright.
Big up every time. So, loads are selling here at the Denbigh Showground. And thing, as we move through, some of us are walk through, go right around, and thing. It's a vibe. Vibe massive, it's a vibe, you cannot hide that. Good time. Respect the teacher. So what kind of soup you have?
Corn soup.
Corn soup?
Yes.
You get that? So I not just corn alone, you hear that? You have a soup too. That is it, big up yourself. One Jamaica, one man. Big up yourself. Love.
Put me neck on a block and even top it off. Put it in a wheel for a fling it down a wall. Me don't become and it's still a laugh. They don't make it, they come in. They don't make it, they come in. They don't make it, they come in. I wanna look out of my sense.
me see you, you don't see it?
Yeah, look for brother.
Oh, you see, I watch it live.
The connection like you will be in trouble.
Yeah, we realize, man.
Give me the
Oh, but we put over TikTok, you can check TikTok.
You tell me something? You find it for there now. Yeah, man.
Yeah, try to sort it out. I think loads of interference, but we're there at same speed. Maybe I'm going to load up again.
And some banner me can't tell me some agriculture people, you see me?
Where's the car?
Some banner car, truck driving thing, you know?
Yeah, figure that.
Yeah, man.
Outside.
Yeah.
Why place hot, brother?
Boy, me I tell you.
Oh, God. Yeah, man, we are watching no trouble, we are do. Go walk now, man. It's all about a good vibe here at Denbigh 2024. The eating and now, man. Lord, the crayfish them out and all of those good stuff. Yeah. Crazy buying, crazy selling. You know the works. Make sure it's on the forward with good shelter. Hot bag. So yeah, it's all about Denbigh Agricultural Show 2024 as we move through. We're gonna see what is going on inside of the rod a little bit. Let's go. Big up to everybody who joined the video right about now. Whoa. Let's see what's going on inside the rod. One Jamaica walk. Yeah, I'm streaming us from your car, me and where you go. Outside. That is it, big up every time, bro. Man, that's how one of there, so. Figure that. Alright, first me I go out, so how the Instagram go? You have Instagram?
Yeah, man, live, man.
How the Instagram go?
Active, man. Chambers, I draw the way.
You see the shirt, the catchy shirt?
Yeah, man. Catch it in there, man. You know what
See, I drop
That is it, man. They represent, you see, barcode there, same way.
no joke, no doubt. What's that, how take it over?
Yeah, man, have a lunch, man. Chambers, I draw, you know. We got a spreadsheet, service of girl Chester.
Man.
Yeah, Denbigh, man, live.
Oh, you mean, what's his style? What's your man?
That is it. Smart, like smart way.
Look good now.
Bedroom, man, run your farm. People, smart way to farming.
The G say you can run the farm friend in your bedroom. Oh my word. Hey, got that? Look good. Look good. Mighty. When we run us with a pretty smile, bless up yourself. That is it always. Why in your bun up? Sweat like a hog.
I mean, I say walk by, big up yourself every time, you know, I always watch your video them dog.
Click.
Yes, up man, I love
Respect, you know, big up nobody, where you far from?
Me I say big up Mr. Chambers first of all, I met me there, so my boss. Big up the whole Hydro team, big up everybody in Jamaica, big up the whole world, yeah man.
Big up
Confused, big up.
That is
Walk by, big up yourself.
Outside.
Subscribe or share.
Wait, didn't do anything. You have a channel. Respect, you hear that, the teacher. No joke, no. Oh, you mean? Outside, me, look good.
Alright, me will call you.
Yeah. I mean, the right, that's a while ago, I see something like a water pump and all of the good things going on. Yeah. As well as we try to get some of the coolings at home. Yeah, me teacher, big up and respect.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, lock it up. Alright, that is it. Outside. Yeah. Look good. Yeah. Bless up, bless up, bless up. So we're right inside of the Rada tent in Denbigh. Yeah. And this is what is going on. All different kind of foods. See? You know, them do them lovely design and all these things. Yeah. But they eat. Super hot. Drone farming and thing. So they're actually showing you how to utilize the drone in the farming as well. That's a walk through, man. Bless up, good day, greetings.
Hi, how you doing?
One Jamaica walk by. I'm here. Sound like you're the spokesperson.
Yes, I'm the managing director for Farman Animal Nutrition Solutions Limited.
Alright, so tell me a little bit of what is going on here.
Alright, so we're focusing on technology in livestock production. So, well, we offer pasture management services and land preparation, but for the farmers that have cell phone connectivity issues, we recommend using a cell phone booster, so it boosts the cellular and data. And then over here, sometimes you have animals that are confined. You're wondering why they're sick. You need to look through their water lines. And then you see right here, the bacteria build up. So we give them recommendations on how to treat their water lines so the animals don't get sick anymore.
Wow.
And then here, we have near infrared spectrometer. So what it does, it uses light waves to measure the nutrient content of your grass, of your feed. So you need to know whether or not you need to supplement both things. So right here is the report that it gives you. So right here it tells you the crude protein content, the water solubility carbohydrates, it gives you the energy, your fat, it gives you digestibility values.
That easy. Oh my word.
In less than 5 minutes.
Gone, Ali.
Yeah man, you get
So massive.
information.
Listen, if you're a farmer,
I am a
future way
farmer.
to go.
So yeah, so I grow grass for hay production and silage.
Yeah.
And I use the NIR machine. So when I sell you a bale of hay, I can tell you exactly what the nutrient profile is of that bale of hay.
Wow.
And then we also have right here a milking machine. So this is a small milking machine for those farmers that have a smaller herd and they don't want to hand milk anymore. So this can do 1 dairy cattle, 2 goats, and if you put a splitter on it, it can actually expand it up to 8 goats.
Wow.
And then if you don't have any electricity, we have this inverter that we sell, and this is the battery from your drill. So you just slide it in, you turn it on, and you have electricity to power your equipment on the farm.
Good to go. Like that style.
That's
all right.
right.
Big up and respect. Jamaica
right,
walk by. So what's your Instagram?
Our Instagram is Farm Solutions JA or Animal Nutrition JA. Animal Nutrition is JA. You can even scan the QR code right here.
That's the number to call.
That's our number to call. That's the website to visit. That's the QR code to scan.
Bless up and respect for that. All right.
All right.
Done. Big up and respect.
Yeah, man.
Nice. So yeah, that was so cool. Some nice information right there, explaining how the new farming solutions. Yeah. This is actually the Rada thing. Let's see. This is rough. said I respect me elder. Big up man. Is that you up over here?
No, I'm just visiting.
Just visiting. What's the experience so far?
Very good.
Very good.
It's good to see all this development.
Nice. I said the heat is nice.
Huh?
The heat.
The heat is bearable.
It's bearable. Alright, blessings and respect, man. You hear that?
Okay then.
Respect. So, one question before we go. Which is your favorite place to visit since you've been here?
Right here.
Right here. I wonder what's so special about right here. Let me see what is going on here.
Well, I like, they have some innovative things that I had not seen before.
Oh yeah.
Like the candies from mango.
Candy from mango.
They have lip balms, and they have different kind of jams and chutneys and things. And down there you have flour made from breadfruit.
Yeah, but like how you sell the business, boy, you just a visit. You just a visit. Yeah, go on good. Yeah. Bless up and respect, you hear that?
Have a good day.
Cool, man. Yeah. Nice and easy. Food security. As you walk through Denbigh. This is the Rada tent we're in right now. So slowly make our way out. Some celebrity on the corner. Johnny, are you that? Yeah. Big up. That's how they were in the realize that the conversation nice, you know. Oh gosh man, we can't get a peace out upon Jamaica walk by there, just a bless up. You understand? Yeah, so you know say on the live feet, you know. You understand? Look good.
No, we don't live feet.
We don't live feet. No man, wait, may I tell you this? And people like who know me can do it. You understand? Know how to fix my face and rock my body two sides and know when we can. You understand? That is it, man. Yeah, you know when we thief a little piece of video found and then cut and then ask after that. Alright. Big up every time, respect. I'm Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
That is it, man. What love, is it? Big up all RGR massive, you understand? No joke, RGD, Rada, everybody survive inside here. No joke, let's move through. Yeah. As we make our way on the outside. Yeah. So this place is massive for all of the persons who just joined in. It's a massive event. And what we're going to do, we're going to walk back this side and go around because I want to do it in sections. Yeah. We're back on the outside. I hope that the heat just ease down a little bit. Whoa. Cool down with the sun, the Father God. Remember to like the video, please. That is it, boss. Alright. We link up. I really don't know.
I know this YouTuber.
Yeah, tell me, Missy.
I saw you with D-Mongo.
Yeah.
And these places around.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I say all over I place me there.
Yeah, man.
Big up the man for me, you know.
Jamaica
Right now,
walk by.
Jamaica walk by. Big up every time.
I subscribe to you. What's your name?
Jamaica walk by.
Jamaica walk by.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
What love always.
You had met the one from Africa.
I met so much of them. I met Tayo, I've met Wodemea.
Watermelon talking.
Wode.
Follow watermelon as well.
Yeah. When I watch YouTube, man,
Yeah.
that is it, my blessed love. We love the support when time I see it, especially big. So I'm going to soon safe on this year when you go home and later on and you rest your life.
Okay. Alright.
Blessed love, man. See?
Big up yourself.
Yeah, I'm going to pick up somebody before I go.
Big up Dima Wango, right now in New York.
I'm big up Jamaica walk by.
Big up
Yes.
Jamaica walk by. One love, my friend.
That is it.
Alright.
Easy, now, man.
That is it.
Ah, respect and love, is it? No joke, no, massive. Yeah. So we are moved through again. The place is rampacked with everything right about now. So if you just a giant forward.
It's like melting your mind. Nothing that is so good that
Everyone is inside. Yes.
Oh God, they're not going to
Be a food there, baby.
I'm so you're lucky. You better live here. I tell you, blessed love and respect. You hear that?
Community hook takes some Jamaican ambition
and some serious commitment to serving people mixed with a delicious Jamaican food.
One love, my friend. See then, man. Big up and respect. One Jamaica walk by outside.
Yes.
Down here, man. Oh gosh, look like a year spot this.
Yeah, man.
See crowd start lining up over yourself.
Always I watch it, you know.
Oh, you did? Yeah, man. That's rich. Big up the teacher.
Yeah, man, respect.
One love with there.
Come back down, you know.
Yeah, we say me jump in quick and fast, man. Can't know say them a go do something, but cartel and me no reach back.
Okay.
You have to see what I go on. You know, because I go see what I go on. But I over here, I put our calves, me think a pure ball. Yeah. Oh, joke. When it comes down to the coolings, you know, say them a place you have to cool. Yeah, man. Almighty.
You come in. You come down there.
I don't want to see my face, but I'm
Yes, sir. Big up the Jamaica, them always don't go, that is it, man. Outside, that out in colors. Yeah, man, we're nice. Yes, man. Outside. Yeah. You can see how in a high pro setup. Yes. Greetings. Jamaica walk by. Yes, that is it, but outside. Boy, you're that cold. Down to the shoes. Almighty. Figure that. One love, one love. Yeah. So, it's all about eyebrow. This is an eyebrow room. And
and we're going to spin this speed up to 2 o'clock, alright? So, and if you spin on your head, go for it, come on. Umbrella.
Wait, this on minutes of what
Try again. I'll go to the back of the line. Look, here's a line. Here's a line. You know where you're the line? Okay. Line we have here. Another line. This is one line. And two line. One line. Right? One line. But listen. Listen. Okay.
What Jamaica walk by? That is it, the one. Touch it, the one. Outside there.
Outside.
Yeah. Which channel is?
So,
yeah.
Bakian Kabu Adventure, that's it.
Big up our research.
Jamaica walk by.
Clean and clean outside. Show them. Why so not better me a run from it? Burn up.
Jamaica walk by over here, so hear that.
Tell them massive to check out the channel, hear that.
Bakian Kabu Adventure, big up for yourself, hear that big. That is it, hear that.
Outside. One love, hear that brother. Yeah. Yeah.
So not so nice, you must understand. Jamaica woman, sugar and salt, and I'm going to tell you about them all. Ready? Jamaica woman, sugar and salt. Some of them are chicken and bacon. Jamaica woman, sugar and salt. Some of them are chicken and bacon. Same time to woman, no make them fun. Keep them on, and them they make it fun. Same time as a woman is very kind.
farmers now to this ministry. Because what we do here in the world infrastructure, it is something that government must do. It's something that I don't have nothing to do with. Infrastructure represents those kinds of permanent investment that allow you to plant and reap in an efficient way. So for example,
Take respect.
being developed in greenhouses. A lot of infrastructure being developed in poultry. Whether it's in the backyard food, that can take you 120 or 20, or in big houses, whatever you get on there. Infrastructure. When there are big infrastructure, including the farm road, including the irrigation, that's what we call infrastructure. That's a permanent investment that you need that gives you several cycles of reaping and planting. When we are building those infrastructure, we must build them knowing that a storm is going to come. That will tear up the ship dock, that will blow off the ship and sink on the boat, that will flood your fields, that will wash off the mall on the farm road. And therefore it means that we can't just build infrastructure that will withstand disaster. So those are three areas of preparedness for a crisis. But the government itself, my dear farmers, must build resilience, because some crisis going to happen in government. Now let me tell you, not every government can deal with crisis. Some governments are just driving the government. They only can operate when there is no crisis. And Jamaica has had its fair share of governments that were not prepared to deal with challenges and crises. Why? Why? Well, a part of it is that we never dealt with our finances in such a way that when crises strike, you are able to address them. This administration has rearranged its fiscal affairs in order to be able to deal with crises and shocks. I want to make a point to my farmers. Many of you have what they call it the almanac, and you swear by it according to the weather. You look at the full moon and the this and the that. Well, let me share a little knowledge with you. Time change. The weather now is quite different from the weather 10 years ago, from the weather 20 years ago, from the weather 30 years ago. The hottest day ever recorded on Earth was on the 22nd of July 2024. My birthday. The hottest day ever recorded on Earth. The hottest day ever recorded in Jamaica was in, I believe, June 2019. The temperature is changing. And it is not just random variability, it is a trend which is leading to a long-term change in the climate. So things that you thought would happen 10 years ago, 20 years ago, you can't use that knowledge to predict what is going to happen in the future because our climate has changed. Something that all farmers need to pay attention to. When we used to get weather events that you could consider them once in 50 years, you now get these weather events once every 10 years. I want you for 2 minutes, no more than that, to think back in the last 8 years on the number of weather crises that we have faced. Just think back on it. 8 years. Almost every year we have had a drought that is of significance that it has affected your agriculture. Particularly if you live in St. Elizabeth and Clarendon. Almost every year there is a drought. That wasn't the case before. Almost every year we have had a rain incident that has led to flooding, which has delivered more rain than the average rainfall for the year. For the last 8 years, almost every 2 years, we have had a tropical depression in Jamaica, which has had a budgetary impact. Whether it's Hurricane Zeta, Eta, whether it is the outer bands of Matthew and Irma and all of those. We are living in a period of time where you can expect to have frequent, multiple, and overlapping crises. Whether it is from the weather or a pandemic. Let's look at the pandemic quickly, my farmers. We had a pandemic, and then what happened immediately after the pandemic? We had a disruption in supply chain which led to inflation. And then immediately after that, we had a war in the Ukraine which further led to energy price shocks. And all of that is happening with weather events. And all of those things are impacting on the government budget. When the government go to Parliament and read the budget, and then some weather event happens, the government has to divert the resources. So in the past, when we've said the budget is X, and something happens, we have to take out some of that budget and spend on the disaster. So that means that things that we planned to do were disrupted by things that we did not plan to do. So we will make that we wanted, the farm road that we wanted, the bridge that we wanted, will get done. Because when there is an economic shock, there is a weather shock because of heavy rain, drought, or some global pandemic. We are having the driver. And that has been Jamaica's experience. That's why we need to have growth. And that is why our infrastructure has not been used. Because the revenue that we generate constantly being diverted
Where's that taking?
Yes, ma'am.
From our capital budget to deal with the public. I'm going to concretize that point with the mind of the past.
You have a channel?
I know
You have a channel too?
Hurricane Maria's
I'm talking to you.
No.
Oh, alright, big up. Should we see you on the camera?
Social media coverage right there.
Oh, okay, bless up, respect.
in Essex Valley Irrigation Project. Nobody has stopped it. That's a massive project.
So you never want to take a battery?
No.
you're new to my type of content, I just walk through to make sure that you can get a very good description as to what is going on, and that's how I do the videos. Walk through so you can see exactly what go on, like you're here, or you're like you're the one you're walking, you know what I mean? That type of vibe that we bring. That is it, bro, respect. So feel like you're here. Understand, yeah.
So you tell me this man is $100. Don't play with me now. Don't play with me now. Kevin, how much? Don't play with me. And this man look up. In the business. This man is look up with $5,000.
On a debating price. Big up yourself. Yeah, oh yeah?
Well done. Yes, I
One
do.
love,
I'm
man.
from London.
I can hear it in your voice. Say less.
But I don't want to.
I fully understand, man. Don't worry yourself. Thank you so much for the support,
you.
alright?
Yeah, man,
Touch it
always.
again.
Yeah, man.
One love. Thank you so much. Yeah. There is so much things going on here. Like, you'd probably video for the entire day and still not capture everything because there's so much other stuff leave that I have not yet passed. I haven't been over by the farm yet. I haven't been by so much other places. And it's like I'm walking for hours now. Oh man, there's so much place to go. Big up on yourself, one love. Always. See it then, man.
Baby father Johnny.
Yeah, Johnny, big up yourself. Bless up, my friend. Go through. Oh my word. Bless up, my friend. So if you just joined, we are at the Denbigh Showground in Clarendon. It is an expo agricultural show, so not because it's an agricultural show mean it's just agricultural things going on. It's not. There's loads of entertainment, stuff for the kids, the entire family, and it is just amazing. So I'm just walking through to catch the raw happenings here. So I hope everybody enjoy the video.
them and he said they represent the ritual.
Are you ready for this? You better fit. Our players too hot, them can't keep up with it. Everybody warm up, everybody warm up, everybody warm up, everybody warm up. Missy girl a warm up, Missy man a warm up. Everybody warm up, everybody warm up. We just a warm up, we just a warm up, we just a warm up. England warm up, Raven warm up, Daniel warm up. Everybody warm up, any kind logo. Let me see everybody and do the dance logo. Make up your face and shape with the logo. Everybody now move up your face with the logo. Run up and do it at the place with the logo. Shelly belly a bust the place with the logo. Follow a walk, make up the face with the logo. Make it 2 man come in and pop off. That's logo, say them one know the new dance name logo. Out of style, my ball in the middle with a bubble. Say the dance is a feel, we got the man a go and catch the one. Now we a run the place and send the pace. Everybody warm up, everybody warm up, everybody warm up, everybody warm up. Missy girl a warm up, Missy man a warm up. Everybody warm up, everybody warm up.
Respect. All time today. There's a free food like this.
You just have to try it. Move up to the page and do the time. Cause when the circle release, just hold on tight.
He said they represent the ritual.
Just a vibe down here, just a vibe. Trying to showcase as much as I can. respect here. Tell you.
Madam, can't be a drink.
Anyone? No.
Where them just tell me about?
I don't know.
All right. Nice. Thing. Lovely. Respect.
Can't wait forever.
That is it. Now if you try get some memory.
Going there for me?
Yeah, go on there. Yeah, go on there.
Some of your car.
These hamsters are selling. How much are one? Are paired? Let me feed her this sign. Yeah, get Toba, find out how much they pair. Yeah, guinea pig. Oh, and now the hamster. A guinea pig them. Hamster more.
Don't put it on my
What is that? So them call the band? Blue and pink and purple. From the band, never seen it like that. No, for the band, pink. Have you ever seen chicken this color?
That's ridiculous.
Versatile, big up yourself. Oh my word. I don't need no video. That is no such thing. You live for this. Big up every time. Everyone going on the farm and forward. Massive, remember Rita from Port Royal video? Martin, come out clean, outside. Rita Versatile, big up every time Rita. We touch this, see? That's it. That's Rita. Rita Versatile, massive. It's a vibe. So. Alright, cut this one. I'm going to cut it for more.
Juice, man, in a Denbigh. Juice and water. Don't get dehydrated. Don't get dehydrated. If the car water run out of radiator engine, mash up. And if you run yourself out of water, you're gonna break down. Juice and water, me up. Water and juice. Juice and water.
Me know that. Good luck.
Yeah, man. Come in. Right on a court. Sure.
Where you there?
Right, so we're there now. Yeah, my boss. Big up.
Respect me.
So here we are. Yeah, man. Let me make sure stand up A&M farm outside and support GG Goat Galore. You understand? And then we have Trinjam over here, so with Dr. Young. Soap, cheese, everything. See how they, everything clean and neat. You understand? We have all type of soap. Natural goat milk soap. Brother, we have honey. You understand? Out of A&M farm. Trinjam with your goat milk. We have cheese, we have yogurt, we have everything over here, so. You understand? A peer mad sitting, GG outside, A&M farm outside, Trinjam. Dr. Young, big up yourself, Trinjam. See everything there. Everything you want with it on the ground. Fresh and clean.
See, that one look good. This is a man who know about promotion.
I'm sorry, sir.
Just a minute.
All right.
Just a minute.
All right, sir.
Just a minute.
This is which one of
Yeah, man, all of these are good.
So these are milk made soap.
1 minute, 1 minute.
I'm sorry. Okay. What? I don't understand.
Hot down here. One in chair, one in hand.
I wonder. Oh, Jamaica walk by. Big up every time, bro. Respect. Smells sweet. Nice pata soup.
How many of these are? Huh? One. I'm not about
The person just starting?
Yeah, them just starting.
Visa? Your visa? How are you? Look at that shop, you know. Right now, my visa when they call us, they flip like they want. Grace stage there.
No, him, is them two over there?
Yeah, yo!
Foot injured, man. Yeah, oh shit. Boss.
Shit, man.
Cut it. Duns. Boat get injured.
Like TikTok no youth.
Massive. You see her?
I didn't plan on coming to a party.
I just messaged her a while ago, tell her I want to let.
Yeah? She here?
Yeah, she just reached.
Yeah, so we just stop.
She don't favor Alexi. Alexi favor.
Who are going?
Who that? You see you have video, babe?
Who that?
I mean, a video you back it up.
What?
Big up every time, but the outside.
All the time, John.
Cigar.
Sucking up this hot sun, boy.
Yes, man. Like sponge.
Let me get dead now.
Hey, the sun. One Jamaica walk by my boss. Respect. She favor Alexi, though. Alexi, but look young. She young, man. Denbigh this, bro. Rainfall every single year.
You know what I'm saying? Them carry down the road.
Seven brothers, about 10 brothers, 7 of them use it. And we can take
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We always watch it.
I feel them talking hard for you understand, you know. So like my son.
Try that nonsense just a little bit. She's trying to say that she wants you as a YouTuber. Like,
Oh, okay. That's what she says. Hard to. I was trying to figure out what she was saying. I have the same problem. Two persons hard to understand when we talk. And we talk so bad. Yeah. Thank you so much. Okay. Let us see what Jamaica looks like, right? Yeah. Oh, thank you for the interpretation. Sometimes I have to do the same on the channel. Yeah. When sweet talking come up, I mean, no, me not talk so good. So.
Do you remember the girl say, there's an ice cream man there.
Oh yeah, that viral video there, don't it? Yeah. Come on, big up yourself. Yeah. Okay. That is it. Yeah. Partner. When I tell her say son I beat me right now. When me lie down, you know, me nah get up back for now. Yeah, massive. So it's all about the Denbigh Show, girl. And things. Woo. Let me just see. Up here. See champion goat over there. So. I'm ready for going, man. Let's up there. Respect.
Blue one there, what? Battery?
Ah, yeah. So it's all about the Denbigh Showground 2024. So we are down by the farm section if you're just joining. Very, very big venue. So we're gonna walk through to the kids section. Lexi! Your mother is here. Them just passed me a while ago right here, so I'm not sure which direction them turn. Call her. How would this Miss Scott? Outside.
My man.
She ran into me, feel somebody touch me. Let me look at your mother.
We just reach. Boy, I think turn down. But we are
Yeah, it's not like we used to.
Yeah.
Sexy Lexi. We're gonna make a walk around and come back around. Me not go that side there yet.
Alright.
Just this alone left.
What you go, so? We are already
Me not sure which way she turned. They passed right here so a while ago.
Right, that's all. You say the go.
You turn a while ago, I'm soon I hide. Make sure you say you come big up, big up somebody.
Big up Pinky.
Big up Pinky.
Yeah, big up Pinky. Big up myself. Yeah,
That is it, man. You got that. I make sure someone subscribe to Jamaica Walk By. That is it. Bless up, hear me teacher. Respect.
Let's not pick this ship.
Yeah, man, I see none either. I mean, say the hurricane put back a lot of things.
Ready picture right of it, same time pictures. Ready pictures. Picture right of it, same time.
Same time.
Hey, give that money.
Ready pictures.
In here.
Just beautiful to have bird pet and play. $300. Good. $300. Children, pet and play.
Don't pull away. She's gonna take
Style and pattern. Here's even a turtle in there.
Hello, you're interested in petting? Come here. Come try. $300 for pet one, $500 pet one.
Come on, man, pay for one of the girls.
And if you have more than one child, we give you a discount.
I didn't get that.
So all of these is yours. You give me $1,000, I'm make all of them.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
And you can pay for what?
Here we go. Another group.
That's what I'm saying. So I will pay for how much girls did it? How much girls did it? Only way if you
give me $1,000 and we just all of them.
No, I know. So you're saying.
See me, I can talk to you. We just tell you. I think $300 I want to pet and play and take the photo. Yeah.
Pet and play, touch, interact. It's a grand experience. You can take picture with Danny.
Hey, mommy, mommy, you want to do it? With the girls? How many of them?
The whole group. Alright, just turn around, come around. The group come around. Come around. Come around, please. Come around. Taking another group. So you do the ride. Get pictures.
Look at Josh.
Family, hamsters, all them sell? 2,000 for one. What number there? Who me can call? Which part in the located, fam? Family, which part in the located? Kingston. Yeah. Which number? You can give me a number I can call? You have a card, alright, yeah. Alright, the number right. Yeah. Because they not anytime they not run. No, the man. People them things. You know from when we want a couple of them? Yeah. Have you guys ever seen them color chicken?
Look. I want to drink one. I can't want
Careful today, we bite it here.
You want to tear it up? More what one I think.
Right? Yeah. So they're ready? Yeah. Do you know one favor before you leave? Make you do me one favor before you leave. Yeah. Plug this into the phone. This on my phone. This. Hold the phone from the top. All this. You have my lens. I'm going to die? Yeah, for this one. Are you good? Yeah, bro. Alright, we'll call and things, eh? Yeah, man, take care. Yeah. Mash up. vibe, big boy. Are you the power control?
Yeah, I know.
Real soldier. It's gonna be on the Jamaica Walk by YouTube channel.
When?
By tomorrow.
We are going up.
Blessed love, my sister. Respect. Outside.
Outside.
That is it. Doctor out. Where's your colors?
Colors. That is it.
How you been? Always. One love. Big up and respect always, is it? No joke. Big up, respect.
Usain Bolt fastest time, or if Usain Bolt is no longer alive, he remains the fastest man alive. Usain Bolt, thank you so much. All right, what do you say? 2 more?
No.
Why is it no? 5-4? Oh, because you want to match up. All right, she wants to see if you can catch up. All right, here we go.
Bro, raise hands. First person to raise their hand. All right.
Which parish has the longest river in Jamaica? Baby.
Clarendon.
Clarendon is correct. The river Rio Mino is the longest river, and I know it's up for contention because some people will say it's the Black River, but the Black River is the longest navigable river. Yes, it's the widest perhaps, but it's also the longest that you can travel along the river, longest navigable river. And here's another one for you. Which parish in Jamaica, considering we're here at Denbigh, which parish is known as the Great Basket Parish?
You have to raise your hand, you can't shout out the quiz. Yeah, you can't just shout out.
St. Elizabeth.
That way. St. Elizabeth is correct. It is correct.
You give it now, you give it a chance. All you have to do hold up your hand and then he come to you and then you answer. So you get first somebody hold up your hand.
Enough respect for her, right? Because you wanted, if you got 2 more questions, you probably
so we're just going through catching almost everything that we can. Jamaica walk by. That beautiful sink over there, I first thing I see before I see beautiful people. So you must know it go.
See the beautiful mirror over there?
Yeah, catch them first. Right. No, you make me realize that I can't dash on and I'm tired of them. Look good. Look good, you can't dash on no tire again in a style and pattern. Look good.
You have to use it up, you can't keep it in a environment and breed up mosquito.
And breed up mosquito. Right. Bore hole in them and plant plants.
Exactly so.
You got that.
And make some nice mirrors.
Oh, yeah. Let's check out some of the kids over here learning about the fire truck and thing.
And as we get ready to wrap our broadcast here in Clarendon at Denbigh Show, it's Denbigh 2024, and what an exciting day it is.
Right, me shout out everybody. Mommy. Are you frightened a while ago? Oh God.
Alright, tell me. So, brainstorm. Hardest metal or toughest metal on the car. Where is it located? Chassis. Chassis. No, and it's a part of the car where we use it every single time. I would never service that part of the car. Never service that part of the car. Toughest part of the car. Just think, man. What do you think? Somewhere where you wouldn't believe. No? See the brake pedal? Brake pedal. Toughest part. Yeah, but your man said my service the brake pedal? Yes. Pedal? Never. Toughest part of the car. It's made out of an ultra dense material.
This year we have the Jamaica Fire Brigade service.
Sorry?
Yeah, I can pass. Don't afraid me soldier man, easy man. Subscribe. Yes, live and pre-record. Jamaica walk by. Huh? Well, sorry. want to see Anna she?
You're not getting me no. Oh. You pick the one that's over there.
Sorry, feel bye.
Hey, can you turn back with you?
Come take a child. Take a picnic.
Hey,
Bye, mommy.
you turn back.
Give me my hold you. Let me show you. Let me can see your picture.
You turn back. Let's see.
Jamaica walk by. You know, then town like me live out there from morning. Jesus Christ. Lisa, you come out. Right out. Outside. Head to toe.
But like,
so we are going to wrap up. And things are so forward again.
which part of the pork spot them? Like I go up on it.
Yeah, right down there, so. Wall down there, so.
Somebody have to go back.
go. When I'm going yeah, can you see that? Good. Yeah, Jamaica walk by.
Alright, pull up. Here, if me buy 5 Magnum, how much we get free?
2.5.
Alright, good. So if you buy 5 Magnum and 5 of them, will you pay for you get free?
2.5 free.
That we just hear. That just a miss. Alright. So you know what think of people? Them be with them, man.
Look like our next set this. Like our next set this.
Last quarter, last one.
Last match. Look at that. Why am I telling me sorry if you're not eat today, boy? The sun to them, man. They're telling them wicked.
Alright, well done. Do it on nice and scary.
So
Pick up yourself, man.
Yes, talking about and every time.
Our product in our street, man. You see me?
Look good.
I have to give a brother something.
You not been like Instagram page with?
You know, I'm not start none yet.
Listen, I need an Instagram page, because right now I have to go when I go send all like people them to you now. Oh gosh, man, look good now, man.
Them one straight from yard, you know?
Straight from yard, look good. Cheese and peas. Manners, man, look good. What may I tell you? Look good. Oh, you mean? So massive, see there. Endorse and blast me gift. Seal it, me general.
Yeah.
Big up. Moment. Respect again. I too look how impressed them is.
Yeah.
Oh my word. Oh, you mean? A little child shall lead the way. You know, see me bring my daughter bowl in night and say, yes, man.
Watch the things straight, man.
Yeah.
Stop watching things.
Sometimes people say, why you put your daughter out there to run? I say, I told my daughter I'm a superstar. That me know. Superstar settings from early.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you mean?
Love that, brother.
Big up and respect and thanks again, brother.
Always sing for your video them, touch me.
I wonder if one of the alternate list them.
Yeah, man, something like that. I feel original song.
The amount of song me sing sometimes, you know.
It always play when you
that Micah Shamaya, Africa.
Yeah.
Bad tune. And so him say so much people link him now, you know, because of that, you know. No people even do that song there, you know. Yeah. That is it, man. One love, you hear that? Oh gosh, man, I love it.
Big man.
Yes.
Always want to up and I say, oh, I'm going to look for you.
That is it, the one, yo. Just me, the one.
I look for you.
Why, you travel yet?
Hey, I went down to Maroon Town, I look for you.
Maroon Town, I didn't get to reach me over, so.
Yeah, I see Mara sister down there. Yeah, man.
So close to me. So. Different circles. Yeah, massive. Big up all our people them were there. You know what I mean? Denbigh Show 2024. You know, so later on by 6 o'clock, we are gonna have the concert start and thing, you know, Javinci on the show. You have General Degree on the show and all of that, and you know, we just walk come then as we close the video. I think so mad love, respect to everybody who join, you know what I mean? It's just great. Very good energy and thing, you see me? And just a little synopsis of or if I give you a nice description of what Denbigh Show 2024 is like. And it was just great. You understand? If you watched thus far and you didn't subscribe, please may I ask you to subscribe to the channel. If you watched thus far and you never liked the video, please may I ask you to like the video. You understand? No joke, no doubt. Super appreciate it as we roll through. Here's it. Yeah. So right which part we started, and we're gonna close it right there. So yeah. So if you watch me on TikTok, if you watch me on Facebook, if you watch me on YouTube, you don't know, mad love and respect always. See? That is it. Outside, no joke, no doubt.
Glory be to the Almighty. I wanna pray with you tonight now. Glory be to the Almighty. Lord, watch over us tonight. Protect my family. In a time like this, we ask for mercy. Watch me in my going out and in my coming in. Could Lord please tell me why they don't want me to win? I see the enemies around to me. Don't let them conquer me. Show me what my eyes can see. Oh, Father, cover me. As long as